各位，蠟燭從古代微弱火光到萬家燈火，及至科技出現，讓人類輕鬆跨越黑夜，令曾經不可或缺嘅蠟燭逐漸退出歷史舞台。蠟燭作為現代時尚，重新尋找到屬於自己嘅位置。一陣報道，依家首先介紹一個新嘅醫療好幫手。腎結石好常見，發作時往往伴隨劇烈疼痛，患者多，復發率亦都高。滑鐵盧大學研發尺寸只有毫米細小嘅微型機械人，透過外部磁場操控方向，於狹窄而複雜嘅輸尿管中移動，利用特殊酵素軟化甚至分解體內結石，提供更溫和、低創傷嘅替代治療方案。李嘉文報導。
Examples of the human kidney stones, you can see how they're really hard. Really hard to break them up. They're like small rocks. So that is one of the big challenges we have now, to develop a method that can quickly dissolve them by delivering drugs or change your pH or applying some sort of energy source to break them down.
呢粒望起嚟似係跌咗落水中嘅米飯，其實係由滑鐵盧大學工程團隊研發，用嚟溶解腎結石嘅磁力微型醫療機械人。為咗確保機械人可於人體體內自由穿梭，特別喺直徑只有約3至4毫米嘅輸尿管，同其他同樣十分狹窄嘅位置，例如腎盂，呈微長條形嘅機械人體積只係得1毫米乘1毫米乘12毫米。而呢個技術嘅研發靈感源自於5年前，系統設計工程教授 Dr. McDance 喺巴塞隆拿研究以磁力驅動機械人嘅新應用時，同當地嘅泌尿科醫生交流，討論將技術用於處理腎結石嘅問題。團隊就開始研究非入侵性、無線又精準嘅方式去溶解尿酸性腎結石。
That are millimeter scale, so about the size of a small spaghetti or rice grain. And they're small enough that we can move them from the bladder through the ureter into the kidney, where usually we find kidney stones. And these robots are equipped with an enzyme. This is called urease. And this enzyme stays on the robot and catalyzes all the time a reaction in which we convert uric acid to ammonia and carbon dioxide. And by doing that, we change the pH of the urine to higher pH, more basic, and that helps dissolve uric acid kidney stones. So it locally changes the environment so that these crystals start to dissolve and can then be cleared from the kidney.
腎結石發作時，患者腹部出現陣陣劇痛，令人難以承受。目前全球約有12%嘅人患有腎結石，其中男性嘅發病率更加係女性嘅3倍。加上近20年肥胖症增加、高血壓、糖尿病等健康問題日益普遍，亦都導致全球腎結石嘅患病率持續攀升。當結石阻塞輸尿管，引發劇痛或者血尿等緊急情況時，病人往往需要接受手術切除，或者靠體外震波震碎啲石。但係腎結石嘅復發率極高，約有70%至80%，所以患者手術後仍需長期服藥預防。不過長期藥物治療同反覆手術嚴重影響患者嘅生活質素，而呢個亦都係 Dr. McDance 同團隊期望利用微型機械人為病人開闢新出路嘅原因。
It has a tiny micromagnet embedded in the robot, and we can control a micromagnet with an external magnetic field. So you can imagine you have a compass needle, and you have, for example, the Earth's magnetic field or any magnetic field. It can steer this compass needle. Yeah, it can change the direction of this compass needle. In a similar way, we can control the location and the direction of the robot. And then we also use ultrasound imaging to see where the robot is in the organ.
機械人嘅材質柔軟，而且容易彎曲。團隊採用 Gelma 作為主要水膠體材料，去固定微型磁鐵於機械人嘅前端，以及均勻地包裹住尿素酶。為咗模擬機械人於體內嘅運作，大學本科生更加利用 3D 打印技術，精準咁重建人體嘅膀胱、輸尿管同腎盂嘅解剖模型，再將機械人放入模型內，測試其磁導航系統，確保機械人能夠精準咁遊向目的地。
Other than this simple model is we could use a human bladder model, or here we have the renal pelvis. So the inside branches inside the kidney look like this. So it's very complicated to move the robot through these branches. Or here's another part also of the branches inside the kidney.
尿酸結石主要喺尿液 pH 值低，亦即係酸性環境下結晶。而呢粒載有尿素酶嘅機械人可以提高尿液 pH 值至鹼性水平。實驗證明，使用固定咗尿素酶嘅水膠體纖維，共重5毫克，喺短短5日內，尿酸結石嘅質量就減少咗30%，並將平均尿液嘅 pH 值調節至中性約7。另外，少於4毫米嘅結石可以自然排出體外，所以機械人並唔需要將結石完全溶解，只係需要將佢縮細到安全尺寸。未來無線微型醫療機械人除咗可以用嚟處理腎石，更加有望能夠將抗癌藥物精準咁送到腫瘤位置等等。
A lot of medication that we take right now we take orally, even though the idea is to get it to one specific area in the body. Let's say somebody has a tumor in the kidney or in the bladder or any other kidney disease. We could also deliver the drug for treating these diseases locally to the kidney, which would be much more efficient and would remove a lot of the side effects that we currently have. So that's one area, but also in other parts of the body. So we also have projects on blood clot removal or on gallstone removal or delivery of drugs in the uterus and many other things.
目前研究仍然處於實驗室階段，下一步將會深入探討微型磁體會否於體內釋放有毒物質等安全性問題。當技術發展成熟後，團隊將會進入大型動物測試，喺確認冇不良反應後，先會正式開展人體臨床研究。Dr. McDance 都強調，如果研究能夠獲得充足嘅資金支持，預計喺4至5年內可以推進到下一個階段，亦期望有效嘅替代對策能夠為飽受復發煎熬嘅患者帶嚟曙光。